In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install and use the Zoom Scheduler extension for Firefox. This handy tool will make your digital meetings more manageable and integrate seamlessly with your Google Calendar. Let's get started. First off, you'll want to open Firefox on your computer and head over to the Mozilla Add-ons website. You can do this by typing addonsmozilla.org in the address bar and hitting Enter. This site is where you can find a wide range of add-ons to enhance your Firefox experience, offering an array of tools that cover everything from ad blockers to productivity boosters. Once you've arrived at the Mozilla Add-ons homepage, look for the search bar, which is typically located at the top of the page. In this search bar, type in Zoom Firefox extension, or alternatively, Zoom Scheduler for Firefox. This will help you find the specific extension designed to help manage your Zoom meetings right from your browser. After typing in your query, you'll see a list of results. From this list, locate the extension titled Zoom Extension by Zoom. This is the one we need. Click on it to proceed. You should now see a button labeled Plus Add to Firefox. Go ahead and click it. This action will prompt a pop-up window to appear, which will detail the permissions that the extension is requesting. It's important to review these permissions to understand what data the extension can access and how it integrates with your browser. Once you've reviewed the information and are comfortable with it, click Add to confirm the installation. Upon successful installation, you'll notice a new Zoom icon that has appeared in your Firefox toolbar. This icon is your gateway to scheduling and managing meetings right from your browser. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to sign in to your Zoom account. If you utilize scheduling features regularly, you'll also have the option to link Zoom with your Google Calendar. This step is crucial for automatically synchronizing schedules and streamlined meeting management. Now, let's talk about how you can use this extension effectively. If you want to schedule a meeting, simply create or edit an event directly in your Google Calendar. Thanks to the Zoom extension, you'll see a new option appear labeled Make it a Zoom meeting. Clicking this will convert your calendar event into a Zoom meeting, complete with a link that attendees can use to join. And if you need to start an instant meeting, it's just as easy. Simply click the Zoom icon in your toolbar. A menu will appear from which you select Start Meeting. Voila! Your meeting will start right away. And there you have it, an easy way to keep your online meetings organized and efficiently managed with the Zoom Scheduler extension for Firefox. Enjoy your newfound productivity.